Okay, I will share to you the equipment. The alarm a number 12. This is for service air compressor. Then number 12 warning alarm is remaining time until cooling fluid. Cooling fluid filter must be checked or replaced. Then after doing that maintenance, and then this is how to reset. Long press this stop button, and then first we check the info about 12 at 1, that is the running hours. Okay, after the maintenance, long press that stop button about 3 to 5 seconds, and then go to up and down. Okay, up, and then go to 21, then enter, and then press stop button. Then you can see the alarm warning is ready reset and ready to service this service air compressor. Okay, and then start, and that's all. That is the way that we reset the warnings or service counters or service maintenance warnings. Thank you very much. And then when starting, observe the compressor, air compressor 5.5, the pressure 5.6, and then after 5.8, 5.9, the compressor will stop. Okay, 5.9, and then the current is drop. It means idle, then stop.